evening and thank you for joining us this special edition where we delve into a culture masterpiece that has captured both Indonesia and the world. Batik is not just cloth. It's a culture symbol, a unique way of telling stories through art with its pattern and color reflecting Indonesia diverse and rich heritage history. Batik has traveled through countries and generations, making its mark not only in traditional clothing but also in global fashion.
Batik is a special and respected fabric art in Indonesia. It uses a technique of dyeing cloth with wax and natural dyes. Each batik design shows the rich culture and history of different areas in Indonesia. The patterns often have special meanings. Batik is known for its unique designs and often used in traditional ceremonies and important events. As one of the most valuable cultural treasures, batik is famous worldwide. This art of decorating fabric creates detailed and beautiful patterns, often telling stories or representing certain traditions. The process of using wax to resist dye makes works with deep meanings and received as a symbol of Indonesian cultural identity. The growth of batik in Indonesia has been active and changing, adapting to modern trends and global influences while staying true to tradition. At first, batik was made by hand and only worn by royalty and nobility, with certain patterns reserved for different classes. Over time, with new technology and better access, batik production grew, allowing for more designs and making it available to all people. Today, batik is not only a symbol of cultural heritage, but also a thriving industry. Artisans and designers keep innovating, mixing traditional techniques with modern styles to appeal to new generations. This change ensures that batik remains important and loved both in Indonesia and around the world.
Sebenarnya pernah ada yang menanyakan ke saya sekda waktu itu kenapa memilih usaha batik. Kita berpikiran bahwa batik ini sebenarnya media kita untuk mewujudkan kedaulatan sandang, kedaulatan budaya dan kedaulatan ekonomi. Sudah seharusnya kita memiliki sandang yang kita berdaulat atas sandang itu. Itu berarti kita yang membuat, kita yang mendesain, kita yang memakai, ya berdaulat atas sandang itu. Kemudian saya pikir batik ini salah satu produk sandang yang berbasis budaya ya. Sedemikian beragam dan kayanya budaya Indonesia ini sebenarnya potensi yang luar biasa untuk menjadi industri kreatif yang bisa berkembang jauh lah di masa mendatang. Dan saya pikir ketika kita bermain di batik itu secara tidak langsung kita menghidupi ekonomi banyak pihak, mulai dari pecanting, mulai dari pedagang, macam-macam lah. Jadi saya berpikir bahwa kedaulatan sandang budaya dan ekonomi itu bisa kita raih melalui batik dan usaha kami melalui batik Marem itu.
Now we are taking you right to the heart of where it all began. We have our reporter live in Solo, one of Indonesia's center for batik production. Over to you, Zauza.
Thank you, Mutiara. I'm here in Solo in a busy batik workshop where artisans are creating batik pieces by hand. As you can see behind me, they are meticulously creating batik using a canting tool to apply hot wax to the clothes in a traditional technique known as batik tulis or handwritten batik. Create patterns that resist the dye, resulting in stunning and detailed designs. The creation of batik requires steady hands, precision, and patience, showcasing the artisan's dedication and skill. Batik holds a special place in Indonesia culture. symbolizing both an art form and a source of national pride. Each batik pattern carries significant meaning rooted in Indonesian history, philosophy, and social structure. Historically, certain patterns were reserved exclusively for Javanese royalty. Patterns such as a parang, which symbolizes strength and resilience, and a kawung representing harmony, were traditionally worn only by royalty.
The art of batik is more than a craft. It is a celebration of Indonesian heritage and an expression of nation's artistic soul. Through these beautiful textiles, artisans pass down stories and traditions from generation to generation, keeping the cultural legacy alive.
It's fascinating how deeply connected batik is with Indonesian history and social custom. I understand batik also gained international recognition recently. Can you share more about it? And how has batik adapted to modern fashion, especially with younger generation?
Certainly, in 2009, UNESCO honored batik as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity, a recognition that brings up its significance globally and nationally. This led to the celebration of National Batik Day on October 2nd in Indonesia, a day when Indonesians wear batik to honor and preserve this cultural tradition. This recognition has sparked renewed interest in batik, particularly among the younger generation, who now embrace it as a vital part of their identities. Each region in Indonesia showcases its unique batik style. Solo and Yogyakarta are known for earthy tones and traditional patterns inspired by natural elements and spirituality, whereas coastal regions like Pekalongan produce vibrant, colorful designs influenced by traders featuring lively floral and animal motifs. This regional diversity makes batik a rich patchwork reflecting Indonesia's varied cultural landscape. Batik has also adapted to modern times, with young Indonesian designers incorporating it into contemporary fashion. They experiment with modern cuts, colors, and patterns, making batik more accessible and appealing to a younger audience. No longer confined to traditional attire, batik now appears in casual clothing, accessories, and even on international fashion runways. This blending of modern and classic designs has helped batik maintain its relevance, ensuring it continues to thrive as both a cultural emblem and a fashionable choice in the present day.
Thank you so much, Jauza, for that beautiful insight into the world of batik. It's incredible to witness how an art form as ancient as batik continues to thrive, carrying countries of traditional while adapting to the future. Batik truly represents the heart and soul of Indonesia, bridging the past and present with every thread and pattern. We hope our viewers now have a depth appreciation for this beautiful craft and the talent artists who bring it to life. That concludes our special report on batik. Thank you for watching this news and stay with us for the last update. I'm Mutiara Gias. Good night and see you.